Reveille is a purpose-built solution to monitor and manage all components of your content platform. Today we will see how OpenText Intelligent Capture components, application processes, service levels, and user activity are managed, giving organizations end-to-end visibility of their operational performance of their enterprise capture environment. As OpenText Intelligent Capture applications are a key component of digital transformation projects, OpenText Intelligent Capture systems demand high service levels and performance. General-purpose system and application management tools do not provide the visibility, details, and focus that Reveille economically delivers out of the box for OpenText Intelligent Capture systems that manage semi-structured and unstructured content. Predefined templates and graphical configuration make it simple to deploy, and without the need for software agents, Reveille immediately saves companies time and money. Our Intelligent Capture focused solution complements your existing system and network monitoring tools. It integrates with common incident management systems such as ServiceNow. We have received a Microsoft Teams message from Reveille advising that batches for a specific process are older than the threshold we have defined. Based on this alert, we decide to investigate further. Reveille provides a high-level view of the complete Intelligent Capture system, overall capture processing, and how it is performing. From here we will drill down to determine what is causing the issue by looking at various instance, errors, and metrics. We have several tools to troubleshoot the issue. Dashboards can provide an historic view of Intelligent Capture server and component performance, batch processing, license usage, user indexing activity, and more. These can be evaluated against an established baseline. After investigating the issue, we found it's something we've encountered before, which can be resolved by restarting an Intelligent Capture component, and we'd like to automate this process. Reveille can automatically create an incident in an incident management system to request this, as shown here in ServiceNow. Let's find the test that is encountering the issue. We select the appropriate area and configure an automated response. The job will start an Intelligent Capture component that will deal with the batch processing. This can be automatic or can be configured to require email approval. It can also be scheduled to run at an appropriate time. Getting this level of visibility and control is easy with Reveille. Configuration is a simple, intuitive process. After adding the system details, Reveille's Auto Discover tool can create an intelligent monitor with the required Reveille configuration. Once the proactive job has run, the issue is resolved, and this is reflected by the monitor. In summary, Reveille monitors and manages Intelligent Capture components, batches, licenses, etc. to ensure peak performance and availability. It is simple to deploy with an agentless design and automated discovery and configuration, immediately saving companies time and money. Benefits include early warning of batch processing issues, enablement of informed infrastructure decision-making, user analytics of remote indexes and remote capture, usage metric visibility for capacity planning and virtualization impact, REST service API transaction performance, location activity and volume, improved management information on service level adherence, uptime, and more, rapid implementation and sustained application performance. Scalable to handle large Intelligent Capture implementation with on-premises, cloud, or hybrid implementation options. Thank you for your time.